Hello children, today I am going to start new topic of chapter climate, factors affecting India's climate. So children, these are the important factors which affect the climate of India. Number one is latitude. It also affects the climate of a place. See how it affects the climate of India. Children, see this, the Tropic of Cancer. This line, this is Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minute north. Okay children, 23 degree 30 minute north. It is known as Tropic of Cancer. It passes through the middle of the country from Ran of Kutch in the west to Mizoram in the east, and it divides the country into almost two equal halves, the northern India and the southern India. The northern part of the India lies in the subtropical. This is actually children subtropical. The northern part of India, or the part just which lies above the Tropic of Cancer, is known as subtropical or temperate zone. It is also known as temperate zone. Okay children, and the part which lies south of the Tropic of Cancer falls in the tropical zone. The part which lies south of the Tropic of Cancer, it is known as tropical zone. The tropical zone and the subtropical zone. So this is how the Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal halves. Take the upper part, or the part which lies above the Tropic of Cancer, is subtropical or temperate zone, and the part which lies towards the south of Tropic of Cancer is tropical zone. Okay children, so therefore India's climate has characteristics of tropical as well as subtropical climate. Now children, see one important thing. The tropical zone being near to the equator, this region is close to equator. Tropical region is close to equator. That's why it experiences high temperatures throughout the year with a small daily and annual range of temperature. Clear children? So this is the tropical zone which lies near the equator. Therefore here the daily as well as annual range of temperature is high. On the other hand, the part which lies above the Tropic of Cancer, which is known as subtropical region or tropical zone, is away from the equator. This region is away from the equator. Therefore it experiences extreme climate with high daily and annual range of temperature. Here the annual range of temperature is small, but here the annual range of temperature is high. Okay children, I think it is clear to you how Tropic of Cancer affect the climate of India. Okay children, here the climatic conditions, tropical zone, here high rainfall, high temperature as well as high humidity throughout the year. On the other hand, in this part, extreme climatic conditions. This region also experience the observed four distinct seasons: summer season, rainy season, winter season and spring season. Okay children, so this is how Tropic of Cancer affects the climate of India. Then the second point is altitude. how altitude affect the climate of a place. Okay, children. See, children, as we all know, India has mountains in the north. These are the mountains in the north, which are known as Himalayas. These Himalayas, they have a great impact on the climate of India. As we also discussed this in the previous video, these Himalayas have a great influence on the climate of India. Okay, children. Now, how these Himalayas affect the climate of India? These Himalayas, they act as a barrier, or they act as an invincible shield to protect the subcontinent from the cold northern winds. These Himalayas, they check the very cold winds which are coming from Central Asia and entering the Indian subcontinents. That's why these mountains protect us from the very severe cold winds. It is because of these mountains that this subcontinent experiences comparatively milder winters as compared to the Central Asia. So, children, see how Himalayas. Second thing is this also, children. Places which are situated on high altitude, their temperature decreases with height. As we all know, temperature decreases with height due to thin air. Places in the mountains are cooler than plains. Okay, children, means places which are situated on mountains or on higher altitude, there the conditions are much cooler than the places which are situated or located in the plain areas. For example, Agra and Darjeeling are located on the same latitude for temperature, but temperature of January in Agra is 16 degrees Celsius, whereas it is only 4 degrees in Darjeeling. It is because of the position. Darjeeling is a mountainous area or hilly areas, or it is situated at high altitude. Therefore, it has much cooler climate than comparison to Agra. So, children, how these factors, latitude and altitude, affect the climate of India, I think it's clear to you. Take latitude. Latitude may be discussed. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal halves, the northern India and the southern India. This region is tropical type of climate. This region has subtropical type of climate. Here, very high temperature, heavy rainfall and high humidity. On the other hand, these regions have high daily and annual range of temperature, and they experienced 4 distinct seasons. Clear how latitude affect the climate of India, then followed by altitude. This is the example. Himalayas protect us from the very cold winds and entering in the subcontinents. Okay, children, this is all for today's class. In the next video, we will discuss pressure and surface wind, how they affect the climate of India. Okay, children.